Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving you a live demo and my perspective on the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm.
Entrada.
Alright, so I have a full face of makeup on, so there's no better time than to test this puppy. This retails for $32. I picked this up during the Sephora VIB sale. And here it is. I really like their packaging. I think it's so incredibly adorable. I really don't smell anything yet, but I might have to dig into it just for it to come up. I normally don't do this, but lashes ripped off. This does include a small spatula, which is nice if you want to be very hygienic when it comes to your products. So we're just going to scoop a little out. Ooh, I think I might have taken a little too much, possibly. Who knows? We'll try it out. Not too bad in the hand. I do still see a couple of clumps, but it's not terrible. I do have on a full face of makeup, and now I can smell something. I guess I did have to crack that first layer, getting a good amount of product. So let me just take my ring finger. I normally don't do it this way. I like to use another product to get my eye area, but because this is a demo, I want to fully show me using the product as intended. But I really don't like cleansing balms around my eye because it does blur my vision, and I do wear contacts. Right now, it is breaking up all of my makeup. Even on my eye, I do have quite a bit of stuff going on. I do have some eyeliner on. And let me just close my eye and rub that in. And then let's do the lips. That's coming up pretty good, pretty good. All right, let's emulsify, because the whole point of a cleansing balm is it needs to break down the makeup, but you have to use a little bit of water to emulsify it. So I'll be right back. Hands are wet. I put my sweatbands on too. Let's see if we got a little slip. Because for me, that's the good test of a cleansing balm, is once you start to emulsify it, does it have good slip? And right now, this doesn't look too good. Normally when you emulsify, it turns a little milky white. I'm gonna see if I can get a little emulsification going on in the bathroom, but right now I don't see any. So I'll do that. Okay. Add a little bit more water, and it's like it gets thicker as you add water. It's the weirdest thing. This is so weird. Normally I get a lot more slip, but I don't know, it feels very thick and filmy. Okay, I'm gonna have to wash this off and come back. So this is how I'm looking right now. You can see a lot of my eye makeup is still on. In comparison to the pharmacy, I felt like the pharmacy took off a little bit more. The thing I didn't like, you really have to like rinse this off. You're gonna be in your shower or at your sink for a while taking it off, but once it is rinsed off, I mean, it's okay. I'm sure I still have makeup on because a lot of cleansing balms just don't take everything off. Yeah, of course the eye area is gonna have makeup, so I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, shocker. Oddly enough, when I was looking at the ingredients, they don't have any fragrance in it, so I'm guessing this is the natural like blueberry and strawberry and the papaya that's in here that's scenting the product, but there's no additional fragrance that I know of in here. My skin doesn't feel like there's a film on it, which is good, but I also did rinse for like a good minute and a half, 2 minutes, like just really trying to get it off. And then as I put the water on, how my face looked, where it just looked like a whole sheet, it was like that for a while before it could really just like break down the makeup. I am going to take a little bit more, actually, see how it does on the eye makeup. Just concentrate it. I just took way too much though, of course, but pick some up and see if it actually gets more of that eye makeup off. But it almost felt like Vaseline when you get water on it. That's what it kind of felt like when I was trying to rinse it off. It just felt like that. And this does look like I'm going really hard at my eye. I'm really not. I'm using my no pressure and a ring finger. Trying to get this lash line here. And just so you guys know, I do wear contacts. I do have on contacts right now. Because I do feel like that is very important to test, just to see how blurry it gets or if my eyes get irritated, because sometimes you can't put these things near your eyes and you want to put it near your eye. All right, so I'm going to go back to the sink and rinse this off. Okie dokie. So after a second cleanse, let me use this side. A lot better with the eyes. So you definitely need to go in a second layer with the eye makeup if you're going to get inside of your eyes. Well, if you want to get your lash line or waterline. As far as it irritating my eyes, I'm good, and I'm actually not blurry, which is odd for me. I do like that. However, even with this second go round of it, I felt like I really had to work to get it off of my skin. And I don't know about y'all, but when it's nighttime and I'm ready to take my makeup off, I don't want to have to vigorously rub in order for it to like start melting off. But as far as it taking off my makeup, oh, it works. It's good. That works. Let me take my wristbands off. If you don't know about my wristbands, I normally wear these so the water doesn't drip down my arms. Pro tip for you. But I like what it did for my eyes, but I just don't like how thick it gets before it rinses off. But it works. This one has me a little perplexed because I don't know. It hasn't irritated my skin, but I haven't used it long enough to really know if it does irritate my skin. As a first impression of a cleansing balm as a whole, I think this is actually pretty good. You have to work a little bit for it to like get the makeup off of your skin and even get the product off of your skin. But as far as it being able to go and take off your eye makeup and your face makeup, it works. If you're gonna ask me, girl, which one do you prefer, Pharmacy or Glow Recipe? My number one stunner is still Pharmacy because it just had a little bit more slip and I like how it washes off of the skin. But I'm not opposed to using this either. It just, you gotta work for it. You just gotta work a little bit harder for it. It's okay. That's cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos and I will check you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys.